choose broccoli at the end of today's video, so make sure you stay till the end to watch it. Hey Siri, why is cabbage good for you? It is a superfood! Let's make sure we give all these cabbage a very good wash. Oh, and here's the last one. Rinse the water out. You can always chop it up into like thin stripes, or I'm just gonna do this. It's much easier. What we're gonna add in here is number 1, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, seed mix that I go at the bulk food store I buy here locally. Put the lid on and shake the hell out of it. And now that this is all shaped up, let it sit in the fridge for about at least 15 minutes before you eat it. Let's check out how this is like. Cabbage! Bon appetit! This is really good. You should try it. I want to see how much I can fit into one bite. Next week, it will be D. Do you know what I should do for D? D's a hard one. If you know what I should do for D, leave a comment and let me know. I'm finished it. If you like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up. And remember to press subscribe. It's somewhere here. Hashtag Age of the Plants with your photo. Live healthy. Live happy. Woohoo! Shit. Poor broccoli. I'm so sorry. I can't believe I've decided to show it to you all. Thank you for watching, everyone.